G'day guys, so today we're going to be building the Dragonfly. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. Start off by pairing up your tyres here. You want to mark out the holes where we're going to be digging for the Dragonfly, digging half of the diameter of one of these tyres and making sure they're all butted up together. Keep the soil to one side so you can use it to fill up the holes once you've finished. And then we're cutting some more tyres into strips to use as the connection points here. We're opening up these tyres just to get to that metal centre there. As always, when you're cutting these tyre treads, you want to make sure you grind all of them back so there's no sharp metal sticking out. So here we have the guys starting painting on the Dragonfly here. So we've decided with a yellow head and purple body with some lovely blue wings. All of these pieces will change so much with a nice layer of good colourful paint on them. Get the kids involved as well if you like. It's a lot of fun, this part of it. It's all coming together now. You can drill the holes through the legs of the Dragonfly, going through the top tyre treads that we've cut, straight through into the tyres that are into the ground, so you don't have to do any other pilot holes or anything. Just make it nice and easy for you. So it's a good idea to drill and bolt the tops for the legs of the Dragonfly before you fill in the dirt, because otherwise you're not going to have much room to do that. Make sure you've dug the tyres at least halfway into the diameter of one of those tyres into the ground and packed it in nice and condensed with a lot of dirt. And you can use a lot of water as well to pack those even tighter and stomp that soil into the ground. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.